How to fix Messenger couldn't load high resolution image problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't load high resolution image problem on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So first, make sure that your internet connection is stable. And if you are on Wi-Fi, you can try switching between the mobile data or vice versa, because a weak connection can prevent high resolution image from loading properly. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update the Messenger. So here you can simply go to the Play Store and here you can simply search for the Messenger app. So here simply search for the Messenger app and here make sure that it's updated to the latest version, because outdated version can cause image loading problems. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear cache. So here you can simply close the Play Store and simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the Messenger app settings, then you can simply scroll down and tap on Clear Data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it. And this will remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to enable high quality media in Messenger. So here what you can do is simply open the Messenger app, and from here you can just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are inside the menu section, then what you can do is simply search for the photo and media option. So here you can simply tap on settings, and here you can simply search for the photos and media option. And now here, once you're inside it, here you have to make sure that upload photos in high quality or download photos in high quality is enabled. But with that, we'll move forward to the step 5, that is to restart the app. So you can simply close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. And after that, you can try loading the image again and it should now appear in high resolution. And with that, we'll move forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So if the problem still persists, then what you can do is simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again from the Play Store and sign in again, and the high resolution image should now load correctly. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.